Hello everyone, welcome back to another math session. So today we will be solving some more question from exercise 10.1. The question is based on the slope of the line. So I am solving some question here. What is the question here? Find the value of x for which the point x minus 1, 2, 1 and 4, 5 are collinear. So first of all, we have to understand what is collinear. So what is collinear? Collinear means when the 3 points lie on the same line. Here 3 points are given, 2 points are said to be collinear when they lie in the same line. Here what is given? 3 points are given. So these 3 points, suppose this A, x minus 1, b 2, 1 and c 4, 5. So these 3 points are collinear. So if they are collinear means they are lying in the same line A, B, C. These are the 3 points. So the slope of this line will be the same as the slope of this line. So what condition we can apply here is from slope of line AB is equal to slope of line BC. Now we can find the slope of this line AB. We know the formula for slope. If 2 points are given, if 2 points are given, we can find the slope of the line. What is the formula for finding slope when 2 points are given? M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So we will use this formula. So what is the slope of AB? Slope of AB will be y2 minus y1, 1 plus 1 divided by x2 minus x1, 2 minus x. So it is equal to 2 by 2 minus x. This is the slope of line AB. Now we will find the slope of line BC. Slope of line BC. What is BC here? Point is given 2, 1 and 4, 5. So y2 minus y1, 5 minus 1 divided by 4 minus 2. So what is the slope? 5 minus 1 is 4 and 4 minus 2 is 2. The slope is 2. Now what is the condition? Since the points are collinear, so we have to apply the condition for collinear. I am rubbing this part. So according to question, slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. So what is the slope of AB? Slope of AB is 2 divided by 2 minus x. And what is the slope for BC? The slope for BC is 2. If we cross multiply 2 equal to 2 2s are 4 minus twice x. So twice x can be written as equal to 2. So what is the value of x? The value of x is 1. So in the question what was given, we are given 3 points and we have to find the value of x such that the points are collinear. So what we have done here, first of all, I have calculated the value of slope of AB. Because 2 points are given, we can easily find the value of slope. We know the formula for finding slope when 2 points are given. What is the formula? M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula for finding the slope. So what is the slope of the line AB? The slope of the line AB is 2 divided by 2 minus x. Similarly, I have found a slope for the line BC. The slope for the line BC is 2. Now according to question, slope of AB will be equal to slope of BC. Why it is equal? Because they are lying in the same plane. So after that, what is the value of x? The value of x is equal to 1. So next we will be moving to another question. So what is the question here? The slope of a line is double the slope of another line. If the tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3, find the slope of the line. What is given in the question? The slope of a line is double the slope of another line. Means 2 lines are given and the slope of one line is the double of the slope of another line. And another thing is given. What is given here? If the tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3, find the slope of the line. Tangent, because tan theta is given. Tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. So what is the formula when between the lines? Tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. This is the formula for finding the angle between two lines in terms of slope. So according to question 1, the slope of one line is double the slope of another line. So I am taking the slope of one line as m. Let the slope of one line be m and another line be twice m. So next, what is given? Tangent of the angle between them is 1 by 3. So tan theta is equal to 1 by 3. Now we have to find the slope. So what I will do, I will use this formula and put the value of the slope. So what will be tan theta? Tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1. So suppose m minus mod sign is there. So because positive or negative it may come. So I am taking the modulus here. So m minus twice m divided by 1 plus m into twice m. This is the formula for the finding the angle between the two lines in terms of slopes. Now what is the value for tan theta? The value of tan theta is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 is equal to m minus twice m. M minus twice m minus the value of m minus twice m is minus m divided by 1 plus 2 into m square. So 1 by 3 is equal to minus m divided by 1 plus twice m square. Now we will remove the mod sign. So what we will take here? I have to wrap the upper part. 1 by 3 is equal to minus m divided by 1 plus 2 m square, or we can write minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus m divided by 1 plus twice m square. Why I have taken two parts? Because I have removed the mod sign. So one part will be positive and one part will be negative. So 1 plus 2 m square is equal to minus thrice m, and we can write twice m square plus 3m plus 1 is equal to 0. So if I middle break, 2m square plus twice m plus m plus 1 is equal to 0. Twice m plus 1 plus so what is the value of m here? M equal to minus 1 and minus half. So if I calculate the value of this part, minus 1 plus twice m square is equal to 3. So twice m square minus 3m, twice m square minus thrice m plus 1 is equal to 0. So it can be breaked as 2m square minus twice m minus m plus 1 is equal to 0. m minus 1 is equal to 0. So the value of m is 1 and half. So what we have done here in this question, the slope of one line is the double of slope of another line and the angle between them is given. So we have to find the slope of the line. So what I have done here, I have taken the slope of one line as m and the slope of another line as twice m, because it is given in the question that one line is the double of another. Next, what I have done here, I have used the formula for the angle between two lines in terms of slope. So what was the formula? The formula was tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. So I have used this formula, and tan theta is given, the value of tan theta is 1 by 3, and the calculated the value of slope. The value of slope is one is minus 1 minus half, or another is 1 half. So what is the question? Find the slope of the line. The slope of the line will be minus 1 minus half or 1 half. So this is the answer of this question. So what is the next question? Next question is, if 3 points H0, A, B, 0, K lie on a line, show that A by H plus B by K is equal to 1. So what is given? We are given 3 points and these 3 points lie on a line. Means these 3 points are collinear. So what will be the slope of this line? If I consider these points, let A, H0, B, A, B and C, 0, K lie on a line, means these 3 points are collinear. So what will be the slope of the line AB? The slope of line AB, the slope of line AB will be B minus 0 divided by a minus h. What formula I have used? The formula I have used is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. M is equal to, this is the formula for finding the slope of the line when 2 points are given. So what is the slope here? B by a minus h. Next, what is the slope of line BC? Slope of line BC. The slope of line BC is k minus b divided by 0 minus a is equal to k minus b by a minus a. So now you see these 3 points lie on the same plane, means these 3 points are collinear. So suppose these 3 points A, B, C, this lie on the same plane. So the slope of this line will be is equal to the slope of this line. Now we can apply the condition. Therefore, slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Now what is the slope for AB? The slope for AB is B by a minus h. And what is the slope for BC? The slope for BC is k minus b divided by minus a. Now if I cross multiply these two, minus AB is equal to a minus h into k minus b. Minus AB is equal to AK minus AB minus HK plus HB. So now this is minus AB, this is minus AB, this will get cancelled. AK plus HB is equal to HK. Now what is the question? We have to show that a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. Now if I divide both side by hk, what will happen? A by k divided by hk plus hb divided by hk is equal to hk divided by hk. So a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. So what I have done here, I have after this step I have divided this line both side by hk. So ak divided by hk means this k will get cancelled with this h will cancel with this, and this whole term will get cancelled. So a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. So in this question what was given? We are given 3 points and we have to show this equation a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. So what I have done here, since the points are lie on the same plane, means they are collinear. So I have applied the slope of the line, means according to question what we have used here is slope of the line must be equal. Why it is equal? Because they lie on the same plane. So slope of, I have calculated the slope for the line AB. Next I have calculated the slope for the line BC, and after that we have done the calculation for this part, and here this equation is obtained. But in this question what is given, we have to show a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. So we have to convert this equation in the form of this. So for converting this, what I have done, I have divided the equation, this equation with hk in both sides. So after that I have obtained the relation a by h plus b by k is equal to 1. So that's all about today, and in our next lecture we will be starting with our new exercise and we will be solving some more questions.